When most people think of dinosaurs, Europe isn't the first place that comes to mind. Instead, our imaginations often drift to the vast plains of North America or the deserts of Mongolia, where some of the most famous fossils have been found. But Portugal is changing that, quickly becoming a hotspot for dinosaur discoveries that are turning heads around the world. Along the cliffs of the Lusitanian Basin, fossils are practically bursting from the rocks, rewriting what we know about the age of dinosaurs. These ancient layers are like pages in a history book, each one revealing new secrets. Portugal's coastline is like a giant open-air museum, with rocks dating back to the Jurassic and Cretaceous periods. Here the land itself tells the story of a time when giants roamed. Every year new fossils emerge, massive footprints, eggs and bones revealing a vibrant, ancient ecosystem. Each find adds another piece to the puzzle of life millions of years ago. These finds show that Europe had its own unique cast of dinosaur characters, just as fascinating as those in North America or Asia. From gigantic plant eaters to armored dinosaurs and even swift predators, the diversity is astonishing. Portugal's fossil record is incredibly diverse, offering a rare glimpse into the lives of creatures that once dominated this land. This region was once a lush, thriving world, not a barren wasteland. Imagine dense forests, winding rivers, and herds of dinosaurs moving across the landscape. Each discovery is a window into a lost world, letting us picture the landscapes and creatures that thrived here over 125 million years ago. It's a reminder of how much the Earth has changed, and how much there is still to learn. And now, a brand new discovery is making headlines. A dinosaur that's changing how we see its entire group, and challenging old ideas about evolution. This isn't just another fossil. It's a story of survival and adaptation in ancient Portugal, a testament to the resilience of life in a changing world. There are still secrets hidden beneath our feet, waiting to be uncovered. Each new find brings us closer to understanding the incredible history of our planet. Get ready to meet a dinosaur that's capturing the imagination of scientists and dino fans everywhere, and discover why Portugal is truly a land of dinosaur giants. Meet Cariocecus bocagei, the latest star from Portugal's prehistoric past, and a dinosaur that's turning heads in the world of paleontology. Cariocecus was an iguanodontian, a group of successful plant eaters, best known for iguanodon, one of the first dinosaurs ever named. But this dinosaur stood out from the crowd, especially because of its remarkable skull. Its lower jaw bones were completely fused, forming a single solid structure, something never seen before in its family, and a feature that has scientists buzzing with excitement. Imagine your jaw as one unbreakable piece. That's the kind of power Cariocecus had, making it a true heavyweight among herbivores. This adaptation meant a super strong bite, perfect for crushing tough, woody plants that other herbivores couldn't handle, and allowing it to thrive where others might struggle. Its mouth was like a pair of industrial pliers, giving it access to food sources off limits to others, and letting it exploit resources that were simply too challenging for its competitors. This is evolution in action. Cariocecus carved out a unique niche as a heavy-duty plant eater, adapting to its environment in a way that set it apart. While its relatives grazed on softer plants, Cariocecus specialized in the hard stuff, making the most of what others left behind. Its skull and jaw were tools built for a challenging diet, a testament to the power of adaptation and survival. This wasn't just a dinosaur, it was a master of its environment, dominating its ecosystem with its unique abilities. The more we study it, the more we realize how specialized and complex these ancient creatures were, each with their own evolutionary story. Cariocecus is a reminder that even familiar dinosaur groups can surprise us, revealing new secrets with every discovery. Each new find adds depth to our understanding of prehistoric life, painting a richer picture of the ancient world. And this one is a true game changer, opening a new chapter in the story of dinosaurs. The skull of Cariocecus had another striking feature: prominent bony brows above its eyes. These ridges gave it a fierce, eagle-eyed look, but they weren't just for show. The bony brows likely protected its eyes from predators, acting like a built-in helmet. If a predator lunged for its head, those ridges could have made all the difference. They might also have been used for display, signaling dominance, attracting mates, or helping herd members recognize each other. Bigger brows could have meant higher status within the group. The ridges may even have shielded its eyes from the sun, giving it sharper vision for spotting danger. Combined with its powerful jaw, Cariocecus was built to thrive in a tough world. Its face was both a weapon of defense and a tool for survival. Every detail tells us more about how it lived and interacted. This was an animal perfectly adapted to its environment. The story of Cariocecus's discovery is a tale of patience, passion, and scientific curiosity that spanned decades. It all began in 1999 when local fossil hunter Carlos Anunciacao stumbled upon some intriguing bone fragments near Boca do Chapim, Portugal, a place known for its dramatic coastline and hidden prehistoric secrets. For years, these mysterious fossils sat quietly in a private collection, their true significance waiting to be revealed, as if holding onto a secret from the ancient world. Eventually, a team of dedicated Portuguese paleontologists gained access to the collection and began a careful, detailed study, determined to unlock the fossil's story. Using cutting-edge techniques like CT scans and digital modeling, they painstakingly reconstructed the skull, revealing features that set it apart from any known species. That's when the realization struck. They were looking at a creature entirely new to science, a species never before described. The name Cariocecus bocagei was chosen to honor both the local region and José Vicente Barbosa do Bocage, a pioneering Portuguese zoologist whose legacy continues to inspire. This remarkable discovery forges a link between Portugal's vibrant scientific tradition and its distant prehistoric past, reminding us of the country's unique place in paleontology. It's a powerful reminder that some of the most important scientific finds begin with the sharp eyes and curiosity of an amateur explorer, searching the shorelines and cliffs. Science is a true team effort, built on collaboration, shared knowledge, and the drive to uncover the unknown. Decades of careful work, perseverance, and teamwork led to this extraordinary moment of revelation. And now, Cariocecus takes its rightful place in the ever-evolving story of life on Earth, inspiring future generations to keep searching for answers hidden in stone. To understand Cariocecus, we need to picture its world. Portugal, 127 million years ago. Back then it was a lush wetland, not a rocky coast. Rivers, deltas, and lagoons stretched across the landscape, bordered by a warm, shallow sea. The climate was humid, supporting towering conifers, ginkgos, ferns, and especially tough cycads. Cariocecus's powerful jaw was perfect for munching on these fibrous plants. It was a living lawnmower, specialized for the toughest vegetation. This wetland teemed with life, giant sauropods, other iguanodontians, and fearsome predators like allosaurs and spinosaurs. Crocodiles, turtles, and pterosaurs added to the diversity. Life was a constant balance of finding food and avoiding danger. The discovery of Cariocecus helps us reconstruct this complex ecosystem. Each herbivore had its own role, specializing in different plants. It wasn't a free-for-all, but a finely tuned web of life. Cariocecus was a key player in this ancient drama. Why all the excitement over a single skull? In paleontology, a skull is a treasure trove of information. This is the first relatively complete iguanodontian skull from this formation in Portugal. Before, scientists only had isolated teeth and bones. Now, they have a face to match the name. The skull's unique features, like the fused jaw, reveal how isolated European dinosaurs evolved. During the early Cretaceous, Europe was a patchwork of islands, leading to unique species. Cariocecus is a perfect example of island evolution, like the Galapagos today. Comparing its skull to others helps scientists map dinosaur family trees and migration routes. It even hints at ancient land bridges between North America and Iberia. This single skull opens a new chapter in the story of European dinosaurs. It's a reminder that every fossil can change what we know about the past. Cariocecus isn't the only recent discovery from Portugal. Meet Hesperonyx martinhotomassorum. Hesperonyx was a smaller, more primitive herbivore living alongside Cariocecus. Finding both in the same region is like discovering deer and bison together. It shows a diverse community. Hesperonyx likely fed on softer plants, while Cariocecus tackled the tough stuff. This is niche partitioning different species specializing to avoid competition. Together they paint a richer picture of the ecosystem. Portugal's fossil record reveals a complex, multi-layered community. Each new dinosaur adds another piece to the puzzle. These discoveries highlight Portugal as a hotspot for Cretaceous dinosaur diversity. The story of Cariocecus and Hesperonyx shows how ancient ecosystems thrive through specialization. Every new dinosaur is a piece of the global puzzle of life's history. Cariocecus bocagei helps connect stories across continents and millions of years. Its specialized jaw challenges old ideas and sparks new questions about herbivore evolution. We now see dinosaur worlds as complex with specialized diets and social behaviors. Science builds on decades of work, each discovery stands on the shoulders of those before. Museums and universities are guardians of these treasures, sharing them with the world. When you see a dinosaur skeleton, you're looking at the result of years of discovery and research. Each fossil helps us understand where we came from. The story of Cariocecus will inspire future research and new generations of scientists. The puzzle of life is always growing, and every piece matters. Why care about a dinosaur from 125 million years ago? Because the past is key to understanding our present and future. Dinosaurs like Cariocecus show how life adapts to changing environments, lessons that matter today. These discoveries spark curiosity, inspiring young minds to explore science. Sharing the story of Cariocecus nurtures the next generation of thinkers and explorers. Paleontology is a global, collaborative effort, connecting people across cultures. Studying ancient life reminds us of our shared history and the connections that bind us. The story of Cariocecus celebrates nature's diversity and resilience. Even after centuries of exploration, our planet holds profound mysteries. By looking back, we gain a deeper appreciation for the world we live in. That's the real adventure, discovering the wonders of our amazing planet.